In the world of fast-moving markets, success isn't down to luck. It's about structure, precision, and confidence. Most traders start by guessing, jumping between strategies, reacting emotionally, and losing direction. But what if you had a proven, repeatable approach? A method trusted by thousands of traders worldwide. This free guide from Trendsignal gives you just that. A clear system to identify high probability intraday trades using trend analysis, price action, and smart timing. You'll discover how to follow a real direction of the market, spot entry signals with confidence, and trade only when the odds are stacked in your favor. It's the same methodology Trendsignal has refined for over 20 years, helping traders move from confusion to clarity. With expert coaching, daily trade ideas, and award-winning strategies. Whether you're just starting out or ready to level up, this free guide to intraday trading gives you the framework to trade with discipline and confidence. Ready to take control of your trading? Download your free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Intraday Trading today and learn how to trade the markets with structure, confidence, and purpose.